Hello and welcome to Mom Sports. Today we have another beautiful project for a BMW SUV, which is from the X family, and we need to prep this car for paint protection film. After rinsing it off, we use 2-bucket wash method, which means we soap it twice, we rinse it off twice, and we dry it out to make sure the paint is ready for paint protection film. After washing it, as you can see, we soap it here all over, and normally the soaping goes from top to bottom, and we go around all the glass and all the painted area of the car. And now we are drying it with one of the top towels for drying purposes to make sure we don't scratch the surface of the car, the painted area of your car. And here is the towel, and this is the drying part of the car. As you can see, this will dry it out beautifully, and at the end of this thing we have this car ready for paint protection film.